morning traders, welcome back to the Chart Whisperer. I am Tepo, back again with another analysis video. Please do me a favor, hit the like button there, subscribe and share for others, and follow with me for today's analysis video. Beginning with the Dow Jones as normal procedure, we're pretty much in level 3. We've had about 3.5 levels if you count this, but let's just say 3 levels of rise. Yesterday price had kind of closed very close to where they opened, but they just started giving some level 3 behavior, so I am still expecting to drop price as our level 3 to see them go down for 2 or 3 levels. So I'm looking for a stop hunt high drop, and then let's go to the lower time frame for that. It's 15 minutes. As you can see, I've got a point of interest here, but the ADR is right there. So price did most of its movements actually during Asia. In fact, you're gonna see most instruments moved across Asia, so there won't be a lot of trading opportunities. Let me see. Not even a continuation. I would not take a stop hunt high here. As you can see, it's not very convincing. Especially, it's right there in the middle of Asian session here. I'm gonna stay out of that. The news did really mess with price, but I do expect it to drop for today at least, and maybe close around here. But again, the close is not as relevant as the expected direction. Moving over to the Nasdaq, I actually still expect them to rise. They gave us 2 levels yesterday, similar to Dow Jones. Not much happened there really. Price close to where it opened, as you can see over there. However, they've got the same thing going on. Price moved significantly during Asian session, so I don't have any points of interest to trade. I'm most likely to just be watching price today, but I do expect them to rise though. If the ADR wasn't so close, I'd take a continuation maybe here, but the risk is just unnecessary, so I'm gonna stay out of that. Let me just mark this so that I stay out of it as well. Moving over to the pound broke out of level 3 finally. The reversal has begun, so I'm expecting the pound to go up for another 2 levels or so, unless of course they were using that aggressive move for this to be a trend reset and continue price down for 1, 2, 3 levels type of thing. But for the most part, based on what I'm seeing right now, I'm expecting 2 more levels of rise, unless they show me otherwise. Again, same problem, no points of interest, ADR close by. It's gonna be the theme for today's video, to be honest. EURUSD, 3 levels of rise actually for me have completed the 3-day cycle, the pattern, and I am now expecting to start seeing reversal signs. I expect to start shorting. Now I cannot take it up there because the ADR close is so close to it. The same goes for continuation pattern down here. Now if this is not part of your rules, of course you can take it short when your criteria is met. I am just going to stay out because, like I said, I don't take trades when the ADR is that close. Wait, I thought I was missing something in terms of continuation here. Yeah, definitely staying out of the euro. Just gonna monitor it, but I'm anticipating a trend reversal. They could go up for another level before they create their peak formation high up there, but for now I'm gonna assume that they're gonna create it around this region. Yesterday's high, maybe even a little bit higher. Australian dollar also completed their 3 levels of rise in my books, and even kind of pulled price back a little bit. Yeah, they completed their pattern, their cycle. Let me just put that. They completed their cycle. Would have been nice to have caught a trade here at least, but that's neither here nor there. ADR has been met already during Australian / Asian session, so there's absolutely nothing for me to trade here. But I do think they might. Well, this looks like an interesting peak formation. This could be the official peak formation high actually, and the high of the week. We'll just have to monitor and see if we can't take any shorts going down. Not today though. Excuse me. USDCAD have been playing in what looks like their level 3 in terms of the high time frame. The 4 hour, yeah, as you can see, they've kept within this range. I'm not going to count for how long. but they've kept within this range for a extended period of time, and I think maybe they might be reversing from it and dropping price, but I can't really say for sure. I'd have to see how they treat especially this area here to be sure where they're going. However, they have also reached the ADR for the day, so there's nothing to trade here. Dollar Swiss franc gave us 2 levels of drop. Took quite a bit, but they finally completed the 2 levels of drop, and I'm anticipating one more level of drop here. A stop hunt high drop would be ideal. Unfortunately, I don't have a point of interest from where I can take a short position in terms of a stop hunt high drop, but I can definitely take a continuation, not for too long, here at yesterday's low. It would have to be a high probability setup as well, because the ADR is not necessarily far. It is actually relatively close, but I could still... Okay, apparently I'm just reaching here as I'm looking at it. It's not actually a high probability setup, even if I were to take it there. So just like the others, I'll be staying out, but I do think they'll be dropping price. Again, that's not set in stone though, especially due to the range they've been in on the higher time frame, but only time will tell there. And then finally, S&P 500 has completed their 3 levels of rise. They completed the day before yesterday though. That was on Friday, essentially, and I'm expecting them to reverse price. Same story across all instruments today. Not a single point of interest to trade from because of the ADR. The ADR has kind of ruled me out of everything thanks to the big move that we got during Asian session. So will not be taking any shorts. If that wasn't the case, I'll be looking to take some shorts, maybe continuation. Maybe I could take a continuation here. I'll be monitoring a continuation here on the S&P 500. Literally the only one that I may take a trade. Continuation. It wouldn't be even for long. It'll be from there to the ADR low. But I'll be monitoring that. That's the one I'll be open to for today, to go short there. And we begin the downtrend. And yeah, that's about it actually in terms of trading opportunities here. And that also wraps up our video for today. As you can see today, I know from very early in the day that I'm pretty much free today. No trading opportunities due to the ADR, so I'm just gonna monitor price. Not even that close. I'll probably come check twice, 3 times throughout the course of today. I'm going to rely on the alert actually on the S&P 500 for any trading positions. Otherwise, thank you for watching, guys. Please do click the link in the description. Join us in our Telegram channel, in the discussion group as well. Are you trading today? I want to know, are you trading today? Does the ADR mean anything to you at all? If not, what setups do you have? What instruments would you be trading today? And generally, just want to engage with other traders and see you know, what you want to do in terms of BTMM, even if it's not BTMM exactly, but just engage other traders and just, yeah, see what's going on in the markets. As you can see, guys, nothing to trade today. Steve always said not trading is a trading decision, and today is basically going to be one of those days for me. So yeah, without wasting any further time, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.